Hi, I'm Nick from Grade Finish Canopies. We're manufacturers of BBQ Rangehoods, domestic Rangehoods, commercial canopies and splashbacks. Okay, this one here is a hexagonal. We can make this any size you like. It's also got the 50mm thick commercial grade filter that we use. Also comes complete with downlights, and also too you have a 3-speed switch and on off your downlights. Right, this one here, as you can see, is a pyramid shape style that we do. We can also put them in barbecue areas, in your house, those types of areas. They've got really good suction. With the actual units themselves, we can chop and change and have roof mounted fans, as well as the twin motor or single motor internal. This one here is a 1200mm BBQ Rangehood. It's wall mounted, as you can see. We generally put these standard ones in our barbecue areas or in barbecue areas. It's got a square finish at the top there. We also use the 50mm thick commercial grade filter. Now that eliminates the grease and passing through the system and accumulating on your fan blades. You need something like that because obviously in barbecue areas you're generating a lot of smoke and grease, and you want to eliminate all the grease from going through the system. Now this particular system here has got a twin motor system. It's all fully wired to a switch on the Rangehood. You've got a 3-speed slide switch and on off your downlights. I'll actually show you in operation. So you've got single speed, second, third speed. You've got the suction capacity. Now you find that these systems here are a lot louder. Simply the fact is because the motors are directly underneath the unit itself. A much quieter option and a much more performing option is a roof mounted fan. But again, you will need to get your electrician to wire up the fan as well as the downlights and have a switch on the wall to operate the system. This unit here is also a wall mounted unit. It's a 1.5 metre barbecue standard Rangehood. We also have downlights in the front of the actual Rangehood, not into the centre or the back, so you've got adequate lighting. We also use the 50mm thick commercial grade filters to eliminate the grease from passing through the system. Now this particular system here is a roof mounted fan. They run a lot quieter and more sufficient. With the roof mounted system, you can run them on variable speed. Now this one here is a 1200 VA, which runs the 4000 cubic metre fan. Now what we do is we turn it on obviously, and then you can variable the speed down, which makes it a lot quieter. Instead of running at 1400 RPM, it runs at 900 RPM. This one here is a commercial canopy. We put these generally in all restaurants, cafes, hotels. Now that's a box type canopy. We also have put them in barbecue areas. Here at Grade Finish Canopies, we also make a variety of splashbacks. This one here is a diamond splashback. What we do is we glue it on cement sheet backing and use a fireproof glue to stop it from warping from the heat of your barbecue or say your cooker. We also do glass splashbacks. We actually put a special order in to get these splashbacks in. There's also the tiled splashback that we do. Now that's got cement sheet backing with fireproof glue. As you could see, we do manufacture a wide variety of Rangehoods, and we can manufacture any size, any shape, any style that you're after. What we do is we gather the measurements of your barbecue and then we make the Rangehood accordingly. So you're not fixed to any sizes. It's all custom built to whatever you've got.